Kwirikia unava kichikura ime kaunti ya Nyamira nigo engineer James Kimoni yokolie kiro kyobo gavana hasabira bamenye besoke ase obonge kaukwana ime ya Kenginga ase ward ya Nyansiongo ime yebungi ya Borabu nigo Kimoni atebire buna nyoro mugusika ari tayari kumusira Dr. Fred Matiang'i oikabe gakobwata chikura kerekyo niga mochirio umugavana bwe kaunti ya Nyamira Amos Nyaribo asogotabeka ensemo ase mebere egotugutwa ime ya kaunti yo
choyo muri indea sekiama ya Jubilee gobolie kero kyobogabana Nyamira ni kero gikinga gobolie se chisabagwechi abana inchi ba Nyamira bankwanire nango kolega sene national government ngiraneka nteme go kolega sana baruwa se kero kyobogabana yo nancheranira matakwabo namaganiabo umwako yo nokwera ningiche tucho kolega si tubwaterane tosomagana siasa officially egento nare kwirare bageri no Munyamira no mo Kenya nare gusaba abana baito abasabe baito abangana baito abagaka baito bali binyora Nyamira Kisii besoki baende babwate chikura ase ebituo biri bibekuru na IBC kera ba obsababo bali ebituo bito ime ibinyoro bito ime bagenda gutari kimachini kiri chikuru kimskit bakona koira ko kwandikisha bali bakijikura abanyia bali konyo batarabwata chikadi na bali bande batakira ko repress chikadi cyabo na bali bande batayite ko confirm se chikadi cyabo nchirali data yabonero ngona ari koira mona abana baito na nsabe mono abana baito bali ebibande byabo byabere bigosira tigabaike chi office chiri cha register of persons chiri chiroro babwate bibaba cheki bande byabo bari press kosobaye wibande binya egera bache na baroberechese inaba akijigora nari kwina nari bageri inte yabantu baito abana bali bataranyo le bibande baike chi office chiri na baro babwate bibande gesa kubito ntwari gutabantu rosana imi gesa kubito ntwari gutabantu saba manyine enda kubito ntwari gutabantu si abantu bande batali iki county chisko ina kwaroche twairire meberekericho amora yo teba nairete 13 serikali yateba abantu baronsa rasini koiwa bana bari bande batebe mebere yabarua 33. We want to urge our governor to take responsibility and be in charge of our county and be somebody who is in touch with his officers to understand what is happening in our county. He cannot manage our county with a remote sensor. He needs to be in touch with his people. He needs to be in touch with the people he has recruited to work with him as a team, because ile mambo aliongea pale ilituaibisha kama Wanyamira, ni kama yeye haelewi kazi yake ile tulimchagua afanye. Wacha kue pale Nyamira ashauriane na wale wako pale, ajue kama ni mochali ni nini mnatendeka pale, ajue maafisa wake pale wako pale wanafanya nini pale. If they are not working, is rather you terminate their contract and the services.